Hi everyone! Welcome to Şakır Şakır İngilizce. In this video, we are going to talk about wild animals. We'll see the types of the animals. We'll learn how to write and pronounce the vocabulary. How do they feed? Where do they live? What are their habitats? What are the important characteristics of wild animals? What are their body parts? We will also talk about endangered and extinct animals. What should we do to protect the wild animals or the wildlife? In order to ask and give advice, a recommendation or a suggestion, we use the modal verb should. So, we will also study how to form sentences or questions. Let's begin. How much do we know about wild animals? Where do elephants live? Do they live in deserts? What is a habitat? A habitat is where something lives. I mean, the geographic area where an organism survives. So, where do wild animals live? What are their habitats? Let's have a look. Forest, jungle, rainforest. Lake, river, sea, ocean. Mountain, grassland. Savanna, desert. Marshland, polar region, Arctic region. What kind of animal is a crocodile? It's a reptile. Let's see the animal species. Kinds of animals: reptiles, crocodile. Turtle, tortoise, lizard, snake, chameleon. Pandas are endangered animals. They are mammals. What are the other mammal species? Mammals: lion, elephant, tiger, zebra, dolphin, bat, whale, rhino, giraffe, deer, wolf, hippopotamus, hippo. Bear, seal, fox, squirrel, gorilla, monkey, cheetah, kangaroo, panda, leopard, polar bear, camel. Are peacocks wild or domesticated birds? Normally, they are wild. You can see a small amount of domesticated peacocks. If you live by the sea, you can see the seagulls. Birds, eagle, owl, parrot, hawk, falcon, stork, pigeon, ostrich, penguin, crow, sparrow, fish. What do you know about the fish world? Let's look at some fish species together. Shark, stingray, piranha, be careful, whale, seal, dolphin are not fish, they are mammals. What are the characteristics of the animals? What are their body parts? Body parts of animals. Pouch, paw, beak, claw, feather, fin. Skin, fur, tusk, ivory, trunk, horn, tail. Scale, food, feet, leg, mane, whiskers. Stripe, spot, shell, sharp teeth, neck, hump. Extinct animals. Do you know any extinct animals? Extinct means not alive, died out. You cannot see them on Earth anymore. Dinosaurs. They lived 65 million years ago. They were huge reptiles. Land, water or sky were their habitats. That means some species could also fly. Let's read this card. Lifespan, about 200 years. Weigh, about 9 tons. Height, size, 5 meters tall, 12 meters long. Habitat, land, water, sky. Food, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. By using this card, we can make full sentences. Let's try. They lived about 200 years. They were about 9 tons. They were 5 meters tall and 12 meters long. They lived on land, in water, or in sky. They could be herbivore, carnivore, or omnivores. Other extinct animals. Dodo bird, saber-toothed tiger, ground sloth, mammoth. Do you know any other extinct animals? Write your comments under this video. Endangered animals. Endangered means under danger. A small amount of left or can extinct in a short time. Here are some endangered animals. Panda, tiger, Asian elephant, Javan rhinoceros. Do you know any other endangered animals? If yes, write your comments under this video. What is your favorite type of animal? Mammals, reptiles, birds, or fish? How much do you remember the names of the animals? Test yourself. Find the missing letters and write the correct names of the wild animals. The titles will help you a lot. If you need time, you can stop the video. Under the title mammals, we have bat and rhino. We have lizard and snake under the title reptiles. Hawk and ostrich were under the title birds. And with the title fish, we have shark and piranha. The modal verb should. Should is used to give advice, a recommendation, or a suggestion. It is used to express obligation, but not as strong as must. In questions, it is used to ask for advice or suggestion. What should we do to protect the wild animals? For such questions, you can write down some simple instructions. Keep the environment clean. Save the animals' natural habitat. Make new nests. Save water. Stop illegal ivory trade. Keep the seas clean. Take precautions. Plant trees. Stop hunting. These notes will help you to make perfect sentences. Look at these sentences. We should stop hunting. We should keep the environment clean. We should save animals' natural habitat. We should make new nests. We should save water. We should stop illegal ivory trade. We should keep the seas clean. We should take precautions. We should plant trees. So easy, aren't they? As you see, to form an affirmative sentence, we use subject plus should plus a main verb. The modal verb should is used for all the subjects. Now, how I pronounce the word should, please notice. I should, we should, you should, they should, he should, she should, it should. I don't pronounce the L sound. Be careful. Now we can produce negative statements easily. We shouldn't hunt wild animals. We shouldn't pollute the environment. We shouldn't destroy their habitats. We shouldn't give harm to their nests. We shouldn't pollute the water. We shouldn't wear fur. We shouldn't use pesticides. We shouldn't waste water. We shouldn't cut down trees. To form a negative sentence, we use subject plus shouldn't plus a main verb. Shouldn't is the short form of should not. It doesn't matter which subject you start with. We use shouldn't with all of them. I shouldn't, we shouldn't, you shouldn't, they shouldn't, he shouldn't, she shouldn't, it shouldn't. We can ask for advice or suggestion. For example, should they stop hunting tigers? Should we use less water? What should we do to protect the animals? Why should I use less water? How should we help to save the nature? Notice, when we use a WH question, we put it at the very beginning. To ask a question, we use should plus subject plus a main verb. As far as you understand, should is used with all subjects. Should I, should we, should you, should they, should he, should she, or should it? During this lesson, we've learned how to write and pronounce the vocabulary about wild animals. We also learned the characteristics of wild animals. Now we know different habitats and more. We are aware of extinct and endangered animals. Furthermore, we can ask and give advice or suggestions. Please study on this video until you can speak and write about the wildlife. Thanks for watching. Now it's time to click the like button and subscribe Şakır Şakır İngilizce if you found it useful. See you in the next video. Keep yourself, keep safe.